Hi everyone, welcome back to Her Take collaboration with Crafty Cat Incorporated. This is the last day, probably the hardest project as well, which is crazy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to talk to you a little bit about what I use, and then I'll show you the project. So sometimes you're a little bit overzealous, right, in your creativity. Yeah. We made Our inspiration was a shadow box. So yeah, shadow box on a candlestick. And it had a bird's nest inside of it. So anyway, these are the things that I used. So I used some stickers, use some of this. And I'm going to go outside to show you the project like in all this quote unquote glory. I used this doll and she's missing her lower half. I think, and so this package was from Dollar Tree and came with 3 pieces, a brush, the doll, and 1 fish, right? Crazy. I got this. This is supposed to go in your aquarium, but I got it from the Dollar Tree. I'm not sure if I would put these things in my aquarium from the Dollar Tree unless it was like totally approved. Then I used some beads for rocks. And then I used this brush for this glitter glue situation. I used 3 canvases and 1 candlestick. I can't find it at the Dollar Tree, so I have to go to the 99-cent store, 99-cents only store, and get it. So you ready for the project? Let's see. I'm gonna show you here, and then we'll go outside because it's still dark outside. But this is the completed project, so you can't even see it in all this craziness. So I'll just go over what I did. I glued this with E6000. That's another story. E6000 and I are probably not on speaking terms right now. And then I glued this. I glued the frames like 2 weeks ago. I glued this and spray painted it yesterday white. I wanted to have a crackle effect, but I couldn't find the paint that I wanted to have because I wanted to have like a rustic look. Anyway, then I, what did I do next? I glued the piece of paper and the cardboard to this. I was going to put another on here, but I just realized that I put those on there, so I can't, because I'm going to encase it with a glass just in case my son wants to touch on it, but that's okay. He can touch it if he likes. And then I took the glue, the glitter glue, because this is the ocean, somewhere in the ocean. It doesn't have to be the bottom of the ocean, but it's somewhere in the ocean. And I took my paintbrush and I ran it over. I had already glued some of it down, so I was like, why'd you do that? Duh. And these are just little bubbles in the water, or could be rocks or little homes, or it could be a fish, who knows. We haven't fully explored the entire depth of the ocean. Then I just went and glued some things down. The thing about this sticker set is that none of the fish are swimming in the same direction to be a quote-unquote school of fish. So I just tried to find the ones that were like this clownfish. I put those in the same direction. I'm not even sure if clownfish swim in schools, but I'm assuming they do. And then these right here, these are like some tiger something. And I don't know what this dude is over here, but he seems like he would be a loner. Or maybe he's just telling and the rest of the school of fish came out. And then I put her here, just her tail. So when you look at it, it kind of looks like the rest of her body is on the other side. Right? I still got some spiders from the glue. And then that is it. So let's go outside. Okay, so this is the we're outside, it's still dark. This is how it looks. I think it came out okay. What do you think? Just in a better light. Yeah, I like it. I can definitely improve. Okay, so I just want to say thank you all for watching. If you could leave a comment in the comment section below letting me know which project for Her Take was your favorite creation that I created. That would be greatly appreciated. I have something planned for October, so hopefully you've liked what you've seen so far. We're going to get back to my little card making roots, I guess you could say, because you know I like making cards and stamping, lots of stamping. So please go over and check out Crafty Cat Incorporated. I'm quite sure she has made something super cool. She definitely put some time into her project. So until next time, happy crafting.